this is Chinmayi. This is the third part of the three-part video of the Innisfree haul, and today I'm going to be showing you about the makeup that I got from there. So let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi, and today going to be polyglutamic acid is a now what is polyglutamic acid? And the last was so as a reminder, Innisfree has a back to Innisfree sort of a program where you can actually return all these plastic and they will recycle it for you. They'll also give you points. This is a lot like the back to MAC program. All the MAC cosmetics, the kind of if you have brought or bought foundation bottles and all these compact stuff like this, you can actually take it back to MAC and they'll give you a free lipstick in return. They have been doing it for years and I'm so glad that they are doing this as well. One of the things about the first thing that I bought is the Innisfree My Go-To Cushion 3.1 with SPF 35 and PA++ in N23 True Beige. The other thing about this packaging, as soon as I opened, the first thing that I noticed was this Innisfree Jeju Island tangerine paper is made up of discarded Jeju, tangerine peel and recycled pulp. So this is something that is moisture, glow, and it gives a natural coverage, and this is shade N23. The cushion comes in a separate plastic cover, which I am just opening, and you peel off this portion. Wow. And the product actually dispenses from here, the center portion here. One of the things that I did notice immediately was that if you bought a cushion pack like this in Korea, you would actually have a refill pack as well for the price of one. So I guess the marketing and packaging and product consumption is very different here in India. So anyway, if you press here, the product will dispense right here. If you see this little dot, I am just going to take another pump and I am going to be using this cushion and I will show you how natural this is. So if you see, this side of my face and not my forehead of course has the cushion packed and this side does not. It provides a very light coverage, gives you the glow. The other thing that I would like to mention is that I tried the matte, I think 2.1 in the same shade at the store yesterday and it made me look like a ghost, I will tell you that much. But this is the kind of coverage, very light, but my skin but better sort of a feel that I am usually going for. The other thing that I did try at the store, and for the first time, as I said, I actually picked up K Beauty mascara and I was very impressed with this. I had no clue that their mascaras would be so good, otherwise I would have given the makeup also a try when I had visited Korea last year. But anyway, I tried a lot of mascaras, I liked all of them. There was this other mascara which was out of stock, the name of which I do not remember right now. But the first one is the Innisfree Skinny Volume Cara. So this makes, see my eyelashes are basically very thin, they are not dense, but they are very long. So I am just going to show you how this works. This is the mascara container, it is pretty small, and this is the wand, this is way longer. For a second you might actually be fooled to think that this is the container and this is the wand, but it is not. So if you see, the wand itself is very thin and it has a nice sweet curve and it really helped me applying the mascara really well yesterday. The wand, one of the best things that I liked about the wand is that it helps you go pretty close to the base of your lashes and to the real corners as well. This is something I do not think I found a wand so far in the mascaras that I have tried. You would know my mascara collection in another video which is already in the channel. So that is that. So you see, this is the Skinny Volume Cara on one side and the other one is the Super Long Lash Cara. Their names are really interesting. So this actually gives a lot of volume, it makes my lashes look a little chubby. So for this side I am using the Innisfree Super Long Lash Cara. This is a try on. And if you notice, this mascara wand also has a little bit of a curve. So if you actually curled your lashes with an eyelash curler and then went with the mascara, this would work really well. And the other thing that I want to show you guys on this channel today is also associated to makeup, which is the Innisfree Apple Seed Lip and Eye Makeup Remover. Before I continue with the makeup remover, the other thing that I do want to say is that I tried both these mascaras in the store yesterday, and I realized that it does not irritate my eyes, it does not make my eyes water. I have mentioned in my channel before that my eyes are extremely sensitive, so the kajal or the mascara that I use is very it's important that it doesn't irritate the hell and heaven out of my eyes. So now that you know that my mascara has been on for a while, I am going in with the Apple Seed Innisfree Lip and Eye Makeup Remover, and I am going to just swipe a little bit across my eyes just to show you how easy it is to remove. Again, before we take off the mascara, I would like to tell you that this is the Innisfree Super Long Lash Cara and this is the Innisfree Skinny Volume Cara, alright. So this is something that could be a lot more every day, I think, and it would be like your lashes but better. And if you are blessed with denser eyelashes, I am sure it will make your eyelashes look way better than mine. So I am just going to be removing the mascara on both sides of my both eyes. Okay. I am having a little bit of raccoon eyes, but I would of course go back and cleanse my face and do the entire routine once I have removed the eye makeup. When you are removing eye makeup, please remember, be very gentle with the skin around your eyes, because they are extremely delicate, they are extremely fine, and if you go about tugging around your skin here, it will lead to damage, sometimes a broken capillary and wrinkles. So remember that. So this was my try on of the Innisfree, a little bit of a makeup range. I did see lipsticks and lip tints and eyebrow pencils, which eyebrow pencils I usually don't use, but I realized that I am not really on with the lip tints and lipsticks that I saw yesterday. The other thing that I also noticed was the foundation, but right now I don't need another foundation in my in my arsenal. There will be another time that I will be trying out the foundation for this channel. So until then, this is Chinmayi saying bye bye.